How to fix IRS payment plan submission error. There's a couple of things that you can do. The first one is simply wait and retry later. You can avoid peak times. Don't submit late nights, especially around midnight ET. Try midday. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours post return filing so your balance is recognized. Second, switch browser and clear cache. Try a different browser, for example Edge if Chrome isn't working, or Brave or Firefox, or use incognito mode. Clear cookies and cache, so disable any extensions and pop-ups. The IRS site can be finicky. Third, adjust payment date. Select a different monthly payment due date, for example 15th or 28th. Many users saw success switching from the first to later days. Fourth, confirm eligibility and balance. Log into IRS online account or use View Your Account to verify your balance, filings, and plan status. Ensure what you owe is within limits per IRS rules. And the last thing that you can try doing is to use alternate submission. Submit Form 9465 by mail or phone, and be aware that the fees are higher for this, so $225 via mail and phone versus $31 online. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.